Today's topic is how to create a vehicle inspection directly from an estimate. First, navigate to the job board and click on Estimate. Fill in all the necessary information including parts if is included. Once you reach the labor section, click on Types, then select Inspection. After that, choose the inspection template you would like to use. These templates must be created beforehand before creating an inspection through an estimate. Enter the pricing, then click Add to include it in the estimate. Once it has been added, click on the paper icon. Here, you can select the status for each item included in the template. You can also upload photos to clearly show the customer the condition of the inspected items. Then click to confirm. The inspection has been saved successfully. By clicking on the inspection, you can view all the items that were added, along with their status and any photos uploaded for each item. The shop also has access to a PDF version of the inspection. Make sure the estimate is saved afterwards.